At this stage, I went around all the edges carefully. You can see it's nicely sanded. Paid attention to the contour, picked it up, looked down the line with my eyes, and fixed anything I found that was imperfect, that was worth fixing without using grain filler. So, for instance, here, are the areas that I grinded out. I like to go around where I put the holes, filled the holes. You don't know if there's any gaps that will show up that you can't see or feel right now. Here I will go over where the cracks were when I rejoin these woods here. Although you can't visually see it, you don't know, as I say, till you start repairing, and then all the imperfections come out. And double and triple check your work. Don't be in a hurry. Here I have a few things on the edge. And the holes that I filled. Like I said, take your time, don't be in a hurry. Got the ones on the edge here. This sands off pretty easy. So make sure you fill it good. And I figured let me show you for a minute how I would do this. You add a little water. Like that. And I just kind of mix it. I tend to use my finger. It's easier. And it's a little bit more than that. It's a little bit too thin. Similar to a thin compound like this. Looks pretty good. And over here the guitar, I'll do this section, that tiny section there. And I'll just put a little paste on here. And just add it in like that, pushing it into the grain as I go. And that will dry very fast. Okay, here you see the whole body. I made that paste, like I said, and put it on to dry. It's already, as you see, it's drying already. Just go over, here's about a 400 here. Do one little area like this, and you see how that works. See how quickly that comes up? And I'll just hand sand that, and then wipe it down with some spirits. Very, very lightly damped rag with spirits. That's it. Okay? And then it's ready to prime. I hope that helps.